Narrated by Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "How can I be comfortable when the one with the horn, means Israfil alayhi salam, is holding it to his lip and his ears listening for when he will be ordered to blow, so he can blow." It was very hard upon the Sahaba radiyallahu anhuma. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to them, "Say, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel, ala Allahi tawakkalna. Allah is sufficient for us, and what a good protector He is, and upon Allah we trust." Jami Tirmizi, Hasan. Allahu Allahu ya Rabbi ya Allah.